Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming what you can do. Check roles and channel permissions now so you don't hit invisible limits later. Once done, inventory built-in tools like bots, webhooks, attachments, and reactions, that defines your palette. Make sure to note who's active and when the community is quiet because timing shapes reception. Start a single experimental thread or channel and pin rules. This keeps iterations small and feedback fast, which helps you learn what sparks engagement in this specific server. You prototype quickly. Launch a micro-project such as a 4-post prompt chain or a weekend mini-event to test interest. Use a bot or webhook to automate one repetitive task, posting reminders or collecting entries, so members focus on creativity, not logistics. Once active, gather reactions, short replies, and pinned highlights as rapid feedback. That tells you what to scale. Make small adjustments between runs and document what worked. Iterative experiments convert vague ideas into reliable community features. You finalize by refining format, cadence, and moderation after a couple of runs so the feature fits the server rhythm. Then ship the polished version and announce updates clearly while crediting contributors to build ownership. If engagement drops, isolate variables. A /b test posting time, simplify participation steps, or reduce required tools. One small friction often suppresses activity. Make sure to monitor logs and bot errors. Fixing a broken webhook or permission issue usually restores participation quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.